Hey guys, it's the Learning Tiger here, and in today's HTML tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you guys about protocol links. Now, again, this I should have made uh, thought this was when I was doing my hyperlink tutorial, but no, I'll just make this a separate video. So, yeah, protocol link. So let's say you wanna make a link, and then you want when you click that link, you want to go to some other website. Yeah, want to make a link that you want to go to another website. That's where a protocol link would come. Now, in order to do it, so yeah, a protocol link is basically like a hyperlink. It's the same syntax. Yeah, a href, and then yeah, and the quotes you put to whatever URL you want to put. Now the protocol you put is a and that's called it's a HTTP, or it stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. This is basically like a big website you want to go through. You want to go to from your own web page. So yeah, I'm gonna choose Amazon. I'm gonna go there. And you could choose your own website, like big website you want to go to, but I'm just gonna choose Amazon. And I'm gonna call this Amazon. 'Cause, yeah, I like Amazon. I'm gonna save. Okay, and there you have it. Amazon. Now if I click on this, yeah, it's gonna take me here to Amazon, Amazon.com. Now it's not gonna look like this because yeah, it's a different browser. It's Chrome. I don't have an account on Chrome. It looks different than the one here, but you get the idea. So okay, you get the idea. How to create a simple, protocol link. Now you can also give this a title. Just gonna call it Amazon Retail. Save. Yeah, there it is. Amazon Retail. Says it right there. Yeah, somehow it appears different. Appears that, I have an account. So we just run this again, just to see if that page again appears. Yeah, it's the same page, appears like this. So yeah. And another thing you can do with the protocol link is, another thing you can add is an email. The syntax for an email, same thing as, teaching you for a hyperlink. A H R E F. And now, in order to do an email, insert an email on your website, you gotta do mail, type in mail to, and then whatever email address you have. So yeah, I'm gonna go with my email address, which is over here. Copy, paste. Okay. Uh, Next I'm gonna put here is email learning tiger. Yeah, that's me. Learning tiger. Yeah. Save this. See what happens. Okay, out here. Email learning tiger. Ooh, but yeah, that will appear. So, yeah, it's gonna take some time loading because yeah, I never used Outlook and it's new. Yeah, I upgraded to the latest, operating system. I, I used to run on the Windows 10, but now I'm on a Windows 11. Yeah, so, yeah, like I was saying, I used to have Windows 10, no, Windows 11, and yeah, and I never used Outlook. But yeah, a, yeah, basically a tab will appear when you click on this. I didn't link my, yeah, I didn't link this account. Let me try another one. Yeah, let me try this email. See if it works. Oh, mail to, yeah, forgot I deleted the whole thing. Mail to, colon. Okay, now let's see if it works. Yeah, And then yeah, a tab will appear. So I'm just gonna choose that email. Yeah, this will happen when you want to put an email. You want to email someone, let's say, certain email for your website. Yeah, it's the format right here. And when you click on it, this will appear a tab. And depending if you have Windows, Outlook would appear. You have you have Mac, uh, their type of email will appear. Like Gmail or whatever email you have. Same for Linux. So yeah, and for just the regular hypertext transfer protocol syntax, it's this. The title is optional, but yeah, when you click on it, it takes you to the Amazon website. This right here. So yeah, that'd be all for today. And thank you for watching. And if you're new, please like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.